Hello, welcome to New York City Fashion Landmarks. As you can see, I've changed my island a little bit because I've changed my idea of moving from more of a scavenger hunt type of fashion landmarks to a museum type of virtual tour. So this format works a little bit better. You can see here that the buildings allow for me to add perhaps images and videos in separate buildings, and it will be more of a tour of the decades. So if I leave out of this area, I can walk over to the buildings that I've added, which I think will also be very helpful, and add to the city type of landscape. So if I fly a little bit over here, I've decided to pull, and I pulled all of this information from Marion Island. So I have this information booth here, which I would like to just set up directions of where you can go for each decade. Then there are additional buildings here that I was able to pull to kind of bring together this whole fashion landscape and ultimately create that whole aesthetic, because I want this to ultimately look like New York City. So that is it for my additional buildings at this particular time, and I will continue to add for this landmark series. Thank you.